Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use the Dola app. Let's get started. First, tap to open the Dola app on your mobile device. If you're using the app for the first time, sign up using your phone number, Google account, or Facebook account. After signing in, allow the Dola app to send notifications if you want to receive reminders and updates. Once you are on the home screen, tap on the chat bar at the bottom of the screen. Type your prompt or question, then tap the send button. The app will take a few moments to process your request and generate a response. You can also use the microphone option if you want to give voice commands. Tap on the microphone icon and allow the Dola app to access your device's microphone if prompted. Then press and hold the microphone button, speak your request clearly, and release it when you're done. The app will convert your voice into text and generate a response. If you want to upload an image or document, tap on the upload button and select a file from your gallery or your device. You can also tap on the camera option to take a new picture and send it directly to the Dola app for analysis or editing. Besides the chat feature, Dola also offers several useful AI tools. You can use homework to solve study-related questions, AI creation to generate creative content, edit image to modify your photos, writing to create articles or emails, translate to convert text into different languages, read file to summarize documents, and read web page to analyze information from websites. Simply tap on any feature you need and follow the on-screen instructions to use it. And that's it. If you like the video, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.